Hello, I'm back again. How is it going? I've been away. Tell you, I have been away for 6 months. I've been going on a little. Well, I'd say it's probably a cross between a spiritual journey and a midlife crisis. I've climbed the mountains of the Pyrenees. I've took up a little bit of yoga. I've tried a bit of yoga and Pilates. That didn't last very long. I did a bit of meditation, and I'm back now. I want to sell my car and get a better car. So. Or actually, I want to sell my car and get a worse car. That's what I want to do. But that's another story. Anyway, I'm back from it all now, and I have to apologise. So sorry for having such a long break. I know it's been about 6 months, and you've been like bursting for another Jim Pugh video. Well, I'll let you into a little secret. The channel was called Bog Jim Pugh, and now I've decided to go through a rebranding. And it is now called 100% Jim. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? So I thought I'd call it to that because like I want to be like the 100% me in everything I do in life and YouTube, obviously. So what else have I been up to? I've still got Windows on my main desktop PC. I haven't actually done it yet, but been fiddling around with a few laptops and I've been putting Linux on there. I've opened the world of Linux up. And I tell you what, Linux is so much better than Windows. But it's just because it's more efficient, really, and you feel like you're actually computing when you're using Linux operating system. When you're using the Windows one, it just feels like it's overly bloated. It's really hard to explain anyway. But anyway, the reason I've come on today, just to make this little video, it's all about AI, because we do believe, well I believe, that in about 10 or 20 years AI is pretty much going to take over all the jobs, most of the, like probably about 70 or 80% of the jobs that we do now, and leave us to contemplate our existence in life. But there's two different types of AI. I don't know if you know. There's narrow AI. There's probably more than two, to be honest, but the two main ones are narrow AI, which is an AI that is specific towards one certain task, an AI that can do one thing and it can do one thing well. That is narrow AI, and that is what we're going to see today in this video. But also there's one called general AI, and at the moment general AI is not very good at the moment. But there's people like who've made robots, like Hanson Robotics, who've made Sophia. I don't know if you've seen, there's quite a lot of videos on YouTube about Sophia. She's a general AI, but she's also connected to the neural net. She's like an AI that's connected to the cloud. But as I say, she's not that good at the moment. But in about 10 or 20 years, general AI is going to pretty much take over a lot of things. People are going to be surprised. I don't think it's going to sneak up on people. I think it's going to jump out in front of people and say, "Wow, general AI!" But anyway, yeah. So now this is about narrow AI, and this video is about how narrow AI is just like so good that it could probably beat you. So you'll have to let me know in the comments if it can beat you, because I'm going to quickly switch to 3, 2, 1. Boom! Right, here we go. Look at this. This is an AI experiment, and it's a narrow AI that has been made by like some friends from Google. But basically, I'll show you how it works at the end, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to press let's draw, and it's going to show me on the screen what it wants me to draw, but I'm going to hide that in the post edit, and we're going to have a little competition between you and the AI. Can you guess what I'm drawing before the AI guesses what I'm drawing? Let's see, shall we? Okay, so I'll be able to see it, but I'm going to cover it up on the post. So basically I've got 20 seconds to draw 6 pictures or 6 doodles, and the AI you're gonna hear it talking, and it's like a kind of like computer voice, and she's gonna try and guess before you what I'm drawing. So let me know in the comments if you guess before the computer. Okay, you can have as many guesses as you want, and we'll go now. Okay, that's telling me what to draw, but you won't see it. It's kind of here, but it's anyway. It doesn't matter. 6 drawings. Here we go. 20 seconds each. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
I see nose. Or circle. Or donut. Or soccer ball. Oh, I know. It's panda.
Okay. That was it. I don't know if you got that before, you probably didn't, but let's do the next one. Okay, here we go.
I see elbow, or square, or suitcase, or postcard. I see map. Oh, I know, it's power outlet.
Power outlet. Okay, here's the next one. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Don't forget to let us know how you're doing in the comments.
Diving board, or bench, or underwear.
Keep saying it out loud.
Bus. I see school bus, or van, or stereo.
It's not a school bus, man. It's not a fire truck. It's
pickup truck.
Okay, that was.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
That was just supposed to be a truck. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one.
I see line. I see belt, or ocean, or seesaw.
I'm trying. It's really hard to explain what I'm drawing here.
I see crocodile, or speedboat, or skyline.
It's just like.
Or the Great Wall of China.
Sometimes the eye doesn't get it either.
I couldn't guess it.
You probably got it. It was a beach. Okay. Okay, this should be pretty easy for the eye to get this one.
I see circle, or moon, or onion, or cookie. Oh, I know, it's face.
You probably got that before the AI, but as soon as she says, "Oh, I know," that's when she got it. So you had to have guessed it before then. Okay, this is the last one. Let's see how fast you can get it.
I see line, or spoon, or hockey stick, or nail. I see string bean, or marker, or hot dog. Oh, I know, it's X. There
we go. That was it. That was my drawings there. So it figured out 4 of my doodles, but it saw something else in the other 2. Select data to see the 5 million drawings made by other real people on the internet. So this is how the actual Narrow AI works. What it does, it uses a special algorithm, and it stores all the pictures that anyone has ever drawn. So for instance, there is a bat. So this is millions of different people who've drawn all these little pictures of bats, and the AI uses a special algorithm to look at all these pictures at the same time to try and guess what you've drawn. It doesn't just look at them, it looks at all of them. Then as you draw and draw, it narrows it down until it guesses it. So that's how it works. There's that power outlet. So there's that power outlet that I had, and there's all these different people have written. So obviously that's the English one. That must be the American one. That might be the European one. It's probably the Chinese one. I don't know. There's loads of different power outlets around the world. Look, see. You can flag them as inappropriate, so if there's a giant penis on there, you could be like, oh, that's not very good. But I don't think anyone's going to go, look for like millions of pictures just to like do that. Anyway, so that's how it works. If you did find this video interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There will be more videos coming out. I am actually going to action my ideas. I've had loads of ideas for videos recently, but yeah. This is it. So this is it. Narrow AI. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you were smarter. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. See you later.